Most people think eating healthy means eating less, but the real secret, eating right. Today I'll show you exactly how to build a perfectly balanced meal, one that supports your energy, hormones, and long-term health. Whether you want to lose weight, feel less tired, or just eat smarter, this guide is for you. Number 1. What is a balanced meal? A balanced meal simply includes 4 key points. Number 1. Protein for muscles, hormones, satiety, example chicken, lentil, tofu, eggs. Number 2. Healthy carbs for energy and fiber, examples brown rice, oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes. Number 3. Healthy fats for hormone sports and skin health, example nuts, seeds, olive oil, avocado. Number 4. Colorful veggies for vitamins, antioxidants, gut health. Aim for 2+ colors on your plate, spinach, carrots, etc. This combo balanced blood sugar keeps you full longer and gives your body what it actually needs. Number 2. Easy formula you can follow. Here's a simple plate method I teach beginners. 1½ plate veggies, 1/4 plate protein, 1/4 plate whole carbs. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of healthy fats. Let's do an example. Meal 1. Grilled chicken plus sauteed spinach plus brown rice, olive oil drizzle. Meal 2. Vegetarian. Chickpeas curry plus quinoa plus cucumber salad plus flaxseed oil. Don't forget to hydrate. Water or herbal teas are the best companion to your balanced meal. Number 3. Common mistakes to avoid. Skipping carbs. Not all carbs are bad. Whole carbs fuel your brain and hormones. Zero fat meals. You need fat to absorb vitamin A, B, E, K. Overloading on one food group. Balance is key. Even too much protein can strain your digestion. Forgetting portion size. Even healthy food in excess can add up. Planning a balanced meal is not about restriction, it's about nourishment. Start with the simple plate method, experiment and listen to your body.